What's up, riders? Welcome back to the channel. We're back in the lab today. Another quick install. As you can see, just got back from Daytona and she is filthy, man. Here's the new Santoro fronts that we put on. And for those of you who don't follow me on Instagram, this is what we finally got. Carbon fiber goodies from Hofmann Designs. Ordered these back for the Black Friday thing they had going on, and I just got them this past Friday. I was hoping to have them before Daytona, at least put the front fender on, but you know, UPS had other ideas. So today we're going to put the front fender on, just a real quick install. If I bring you over here, it's just these two bolts on either side. So we're going to go ahead and do that. For the rear fender, I'm still waiting for a few other parts to come in. Not 100% sure what I'm going to do with the old lighting bracket. Kind of don't want to drill through here and put it on here. You know, I've seen it done, but so with that piece removed, I'll probably get some other run brake turn signals. Take a look at what Custom Dynamics has maybe. And I already have the license plate that hangs from the saddlebag, license plate bracket. So, you know, we're going to move that over there. But when that other stuff comes in, we'll do this one. But for today, can't believe how light these things are. There's the little Hofmann sign, the official label of their carbon fiber. But yeah, this thing is like, what, a pound compared to the 5 pounds that the stock one is. So let's get this party started. So I've already cracked the bolts here. I'm using a 1/4 inch. Two on that side. And here we go. Take this bad boy off. Let's take a look at them together here. Oh, there you go. This one way more contoured. For the tire, this is your classic mullet. You can see the profile difference if I put them up like this, how much sleeker and lower the new fender is. So let's go ahead and put this on real quick and check her out. Should probably put a little Loctite on here. So Hofmann sends this little box with their stuff. Koozie. This is the seat screw for the rear fender. New hardware for the front fender. And these brackets as well. So that's what we're gonna do. think it looks great. I'm gonna wash this baby up. I'll show you guys what it looks like outside. There you have it. Looking real nice with the fender. Can't wait to put the rear on. But she looks sweet, especially in that sunlight. You can really see all the grain. Looks great. They did a great job. Alright guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please give us a like and subscribe. Helps the channel. You know the routine. Sorry for the delay with these videos, but I've got a bunch more that I'll be pumping out really quick. Just stay tuned. Peace.